Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report starting with the front right wheel. We have a little curb rash right here. The rest of that wheel looks good. Got the red calipers. Here on the fender, got a few small rock chips. You have a vinyl wrapped carbon trim here, as well as on the side mirror and the spoiler. The rest of that fender looks amazing. The A-pillar looks good. All of that looks nice. Making our way down the door. Looks really good. I don't see any chips on the door edge. Now you do have PPF right here. Has a couple scuffs and some rock impacts, but it's there to protect the paint. Now right above it though, you can see these little rock impacts and small chips. And a couple more on the top side. The rest of that quarter panel looks amazing. You can see how pretty this paint is. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Very clean. This marker's smoked out as well as the taillights. Then looking at the front end, starting with the hood, you have a little scuff there, a small one there, a few very minor rock chips. Got a small rock chip there. Overall, that hood looks amazing. Headlights look good. These markers are smoked. We do have a little curb rash down here. This splitter is brand new and looks perfect. And then we have some rock chips kind of peppered throughout this lower part. You're gonna have a few more rock chips every once in a while, but otherwise, that front end looks amazing. Headlights are nice and clear. And then looking at this fender, got a couple tiny rock chips, but otherwise that looks really good. This is carbon wrapped. Got one chip there. A couple tiny scuffs here. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Now we do have a chip right there, a small scuff. Like I said, this is vinyl wrapped carbon, so it looks really good. A-pillar is nice and clean. That roof looks good. Making our way down the door here. I see a small chip right there. Small chip here. The rest of that looks nice. Now you're going to have some rock impacts and some small rock chips on this quarter panel. That has PPF on it. That quarter panel looks good. Got a little scratch right there, but the rest of the wheel looks nice. I don't see any curb rash. And then looking at the back bumper, like I said, the taillights are smoked, as well as these marker lights and these. You got the carbon diffuser. It has yellowed a little bit, so you're going to see a little yellow hue to it, but otherwise it looks really good. That spoiler's wrapped in carbon to match all the other pieces. And that back bumper looks amazing. Very clean. Looking at this door panel, that looks amazing. Very clean. All of this is perfect. This trim looks amazing. Looking at the bolster, absolutely perfect. I don't see any wear. Upper side looks amazing. Now here on the side of the console, you do have a couple scuffs. And you have a scuff right there on the edge. And one right here. And then you have two little indentions on the leather there. Underside looks good. This upper side looks amazing. Very clean. Then looking back here, not much to see, but overall looks amazing, nice and clean. And then looking at the engine bay, looks really good. The hood insulator looks amazing. Underside of the hood is nice and clean. And then looking back here, all the carpet looks good. All of that looks really nice.